What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. It is freaking nut crunching time. And when I say it's nut crunching time, it is nut crunching time. Here's the situation. If you've been following the channel for any length of time, you know Pop's car is up at Adam's shop up in Michigan, getting painted. And drop you a couple of pictures right here. I mean, he's been crushing it. Car is completely taken apart. No quarter windows, no fenders, no doors. I mean, he has been working his ass off. What we have to do, and guys, this is all got to revolve around Ford takeover. So back in January, I ordered parts. We're going to convert Adam's Thunderbird over to Hydro Boost, and at that point, we're going to. And not only that, but he's got a loose ground that's making it like the volt gauge just sits there and goes like this, and it's also got a draw on it. So I'm probably gonna have to jump it. We're going to do that, and he's got a horrible vibration. We need to get it on the lift, see what's going on there. And then once we get the ground fixed and the Hydro Boost pedal kit installed for Maximum Motorsports, which, please God, let it be here this week. I ordered it back in January. Then I've got to load it up and trailer it to basically Gatlinburg, Knoxville area to Silver Sport Transmission, where Adam is getting a T56 and the Silver Sport hydraulic clutch kit, which is freaking epic. And then it has to be back. We're almost to the 1st of April. And then it has to be back here for Ford takeover, basically before the 7th of May. So no pressure whatsoever. It is raining out here. It's raining actually pretty good, but I feel like we can make it. And the reason that's an issue is because there's no wipers on Adam's car, and I found that out when I took it up to get it tuned. But we're gonna get it fired up. We're gonna get it out to the shop and see what we can see with it. All right, so let's see here what we got. Push the clutch in, and the car has to be in neutral to start. And yep, nothing. All right, so let me get the jump box. All right, here is the battery. Let's get the jump box on it. All right, guys, so I got the box. And if you haven't seen this, we did one a while back, a smaller one that we've got out the shop from the guys from Adu, and they sent me this one also. And this thing's been great. Like, sometimes I'm a little leery of testing stuff like this, but I mean, it freaking works. The one we've got out the shop is tiny, and it started pretty much everything we've had out there. All right, so let's try it again. In neutral, and of course, keys. Okay, here we go. Come on, baby, let her rip. As you can see, the little Adu box fired her right up. That's pretty freaking impressive. This is something I'm gonna have at events, and we can charge our phones, charge, you know, anything that we need to charge at the shows. So good stuff. All right, we're gonna make a mad dash for it, boys, and I just dropped my bag. Oh well. Should be interesting. Woo! Coyote, cold start. All right, guys. So yeah, it is raining. We're gonna just pray we make it. Lights. Gotta love the Dakota. Freaking awesome. All right, here we go. All right, boys. I'm gonna see if I can make it do what it's doing as far as that vibration. Sense that or not, but it's pretty bad. It's horrible vibration. The faster you get it, it gets worse. And also you can see the volt gauge, what it's sitting there doing, just kind of back and forth. Pretty sure it's a bad ground, so nothing crazy. Here we go. Yeah, I don't recommend holding a camera and driving a manual. See if figure it out. Get this thing up on the lift at the shop. See what's up. All right, guys. Current situation. The rain is like starting to pop off a little bit, and then you can see the mirror. I don't know if you can see how bad it's vibrating. So yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've drove cars with no brakes, like I've used the e-brake before. No clutch, you know, is what it is. But this is definitely sketch time. All right, guys. Luckily out here, no rain. It's a very good feeling. So we're gonna have Dover drive and get his impression. We'll take it from there, but we made it safe. All right, we're gonna let Dover. Yeah, right. Oh, there it is. Thank God. It's a luxury car. Yeah, luxury. Not a must. I do like that though. Yeah. What the hell's that? Yeah. Does it do that all the time?
You push it all the way, it does.
Apparently, I haven't been pushing it. I hadn't felt that.
Yeah, your leg ain't long, man. So I can push it a little further.
Yeah, that may be part of it right there. But you see what the volt gauge does too? Wow. Yeah.
Well, you know,
Which, you know, it's getting all new Silver Sport. But it's definitely wild. It's not too bad down low. You start going, it's yeah.
I can feel it all vibrate.
Yeah. And it gets progressively worse. And I've tried to isolate it, like you push a clutch in, it doesn't change it. You take it out of gear, it doesn't change it.
Too big ass 18 controller.
Yeah, something. Yeah. You look at the mirror, it's just like. I'm telling you, what's the 6 speeds in this thing? This is gonna be a freaking blast of a car. All right, so we made it back again. Verdict, probably the drive shaft, pinion angle. Yeah. See, I told you heating up.
Definitely.
Yeah. Which we'll get it in there here in a little while and check it out and see what's going on. But all that's going to be changed when it goes to Silver Sport anyway, so not a big deal. All right, guys. Quick shop update. We've got some optic armor for Boomer's car. The tinted optic armor too. Not bad, not bad. Did a little work on the hatch. Kind of got it adjusted and fit. Wing going on. So progress, guys. All kinds of progress. I freaking love it. All right, guys. So we got Boomer's car moved out of the way, and we're gonna get this up in the air. Check it out.
America right there.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Got all the amendments and everything hydro dipped on it. But yeah, it's pretty. I mean, he's got BBK headers. He's still got the truck intake. But I mean, I wish we could actually feel how good this car would run. Yeah. You see how slick this thing is. That's why he's got Pop's car up there. All right, boys, we got up under here. Everything looks pretty good. Everything couldn't find anything. Probably
Nothing's adjustable, so
yeah. Probably almost guarantee that pinion angle's out of whack.
we have to get some adjustables at some point in time.
Yeah, bushings are solid. That's
Yeah,
fine.
everything feels tight.
But man, this thing looks great under here. It's got these subframes, got the stiflers, and again, guys, it's going to Silver Sport, and they're putting the T56 Magnum kit and the hydraulic clutch and all that. So it's kind of like the finishing touch on this. We've got coilovers on the front, Cobra brakes. I'm guessing this is a QA1. They're QA1A arms, but I'm assuming it's probably the K member too. BBK headers. Got the 3-inch exhaust all the way out, mandatory. Yeah, this thing is very nice underneath. We even got the tips kind of angled so you just barely see them. All right, guys, and yeah, this has happened to me too. You see right there? Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of it. Try to get some light on it. Yeah, that's bit me in the rear before too. With a little Loctite on these typically.
Yep.
Help, because they will back out. That's probably Adam right there. I just texted him. But yeah, guys, not sure if that's 100% of it, but I'm gonna guarantee.
Part of it, no.
Try to shine some light. Yeah. Check your drive shaft bolts. I don't care how tight you got them. If you ain't put Loctite on them, that's probably gonna be it. All right, guys, got her back down on the ground. We're gonna it's starting to rain a little bit. We're gonna put some stuff on the windshield here and take it down the road. Fingers crossed. That was it. No other issues, but like I said, it's all coming back out anyway, but it's good to get that taken care of. Definitely, guys, I'm telling you, that's happened to me before. Check your drive shaft bolts, put a little Loctite on them, because you never know. Rainy day, rainy day. All right, take two. Maybe it's fixed.
Definitely better.
That's 100% better, yeah.
It's got a little bit. Nothing like it was. Makes it drive well.
Yeah. So do something with it.
Wet road and coyote, no good though.
Yeah, definitely not. I don't feel nothing here. I think it's good. Not bad at all. Take this opportunity to get up under your car and check for any loose bolts. You just don't ever know. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up. Like I said, waiting on the Maximum Motorsport pedal kit. We're going on 2.5 months, but it should be here this week. Put the Hydro Boost in there, and then we're going to hump it over to Silver Sport Transmission. He's going to get the T56 kit in this bad boy. And like I said, nut crunching time. They've got to have it done and back here for Ford Takeover in basically a month. So it's going to be a mad dash. Get this bad boy rolling, but it's going to be amazing. And like I said, just like we found here, check your drive shaft bolts. Put you a little Loctite on there. We didn't know what was going on. Clutch, flywheel, drive shaft, rear end coming apart. And just some bolts backing out. So definitely a good thing. So that is what is going on with there. And then the next video, yeah, we're gonna dive head first and see what we got here, because we have literally have not looked at this car yet. So we're gonna do it all together. We're about to put it on the lift. So next video, I promise you don't want to miss. Gonna check this thing out, see what we're working with. So that's all you get for today. No more peeking. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We will catch you on the next one.